Hey everyone, it is now 10:18 p.m. of the 20th of March, and in terms of the goals for today, we did the GT review, the previous year questions, we have completed Ophthal and started anatomy. I did 7 pages of anatomy. I did the mini test and the mini test review. I completed pediatrics revision, and I am currently doing the custom module. I have done 15 pages, 15 questions, and around the rest of the questions are still left. What happened was that I accidentally, I don't think it happened in Marrow earlier, that when you used to exit the module for some reason, when you came back, you would start at the same question. Like if you had left at the 15th question, you would start at the 16th question. But now, whenever I exit the module, it restarts from 1. So I actually did 30 questions in the morning, and I delegated the rest of the questions to the evening slot, and then I had to restart from 1, which was very disappointing. In terms of backlog, I have started surgery. I thought that I would complete surgery today, but that did not happen. That will not be happening today. I think I'll be able to do like 20 pages, and that's okay. That will bring down the backlog to maybe 70 pages or something like that, or 80 pages. That is very doable. So yeah. So, yesterday at night, I thought that I would go to bed early and finally wake up at 6 in the morning today, but I procrastinated, and it was planned procrastination because I had done two almost 11-hour study days consecutively, and I know in the back of the mind I might not be able to pull off a third productive day. And with that thinking, I thought that maybe I should relax and not feel guilty. So I took that relaxation a bit too far, and it ended up like reading a storybook till 2 a.m. in the morning. And I woke up at like 7 a.m. today, and I had a headache. I still tried to do as much as I could. And after that, I had to go to the doctor for my ears. And yeah, everything's all right now. There is some lasting tinnitus, but that should get better. That's just a little bit of eustachian tube dysfunction, but the PTA is normal. The like he checked my ears, he showed me the tympanic membrane, everything was absolutely normal. So I'm not too worried about that. I'm gonna take Tinex for the tinnitus and leave it at that. So my morning went into that. I went at 10, and he was in a surgery, so he came at around 12:30. So uh, I was done by 1, and I came back, but already the morning was done, and then I wasted half an hour more on my phone. But again, 10 hour days, 2 10-hour days, and 1 7-hour days brings out to the average to a 9-hour day, and that's good enough, I guess. That's not bad now. I watched Zainab Vora's video on the YouTube channel, and she told that cut off everything, just study 12 hours a day every day. And like, I know maybe it is possible for a lot of people, but it is absolutely not possible for me mentally and health wise. Like the migraines, and it makes it impossible to study 12 hours just like so far away from the exam. Like before the exam, it is possible for me, because then you are so hyped up that you cannot really do anything else except studies. So yeah. Also, like, your neighbors come to your house to take some advice, and you have to go visit some people for clinical care and everything, and you got to take it in the stride. You studied for 5.5 years, not to study for 1 year again, but to provide benefit to the society. You wanted to become a doctor. When you imagined yourself before MBBS, it was not studying again after the MBBS. It was provide like putting a stethoscope on someone and providing them relief, giving someone an injection. So yeah, you're living this life. Don't be ungrateful for that. Just accept the days as they come, and maybe I have not reached my total productivity level right now, but I am accelerating. Even 1% increase is an increase, and I will accept the win wholeheartedly. Like, I have reached 10 hours at least, which was not at all possible last month. I have reached that, and I will exceed that most probably in the next 1 week. So yeah, guys, comment what were your goals for today and how many you could complete.